Look, really, I don't think you need to worry about it.
I know, but it was my fault. I'm an idiot.
Don't worry, mistakes like this happen all the time. It's not a big deal. Just learn from it, move on. I'll back you.
She looked so angry.
Okay, oh, don't worry about her. Her bark's worse than her bite.
I hope so.
Look, you're still new to the company, eh?
Newish.
Ish. Talk to me when you've been here 15 years. But trust me, it takes time to get to grips with everything here.
Thanks. Still, though, I just hope she's not too angry.
She'll be fine. After all, she's been there, done it. Roll the t-shirt.
Was everything okay? Did you manage to sort it?
I think I managed to smooth things over.
You see?
I've advanced them a new delivery and I placed a discount on their next order.
Thank you.
Kai to the rescue. Problem solved.
Not quite. To be honest, I am concerned about how this happened.
I remember when you first started, you accidentally authorized a 50% discount to a new customer. They must have thought it was their birthday.
Yeah, well, that may be.
Look, we'll get a handle on it. Ali, I'll help you go back over some of the training notes with you.
Thanks, Bruno. I appreciate it.
Thank you for offering, Bruno, but I'll support Ali. And there is more to it than that.
Oh, come on, Kai. I know how busy you are in your new corner office. Let me support Ali on this.
Bruno, please just do what I'm asking you.
What?
Well, it's not that simple. Part of the reason I called this meeting is that although mistakes like this do happen, they have been happening more frequently recently. And it's not just Ali.
What do you mean?
I've been looking over new recent accounts, and the data we've recorded, including yours, Bruno, is, well, patchy at best.
Patchy?
You know what I mean.
I've been doing this 15 years, Kai. I do not enter in patchy information.
We're missing vital customer details. Sales notes are sparse. One account has less than 60% of the relevant data filled in.
Look, I know you've got to toe the company line on this, Kai, but seriously, don't you think that's going a bit too far?
Bruno, will you please just
It's hardly a gross misconduct.
Bruno,
if you
please
leave
just
it between us, we can...
Bruno, please let me finish.
Fine.
All I'm asking is for you both to spend a little more time keeping accurate customer records. I don't think that's such a big ask, do you?
No, I'm so sorry, Kai.
Bruno?
Fine. You're the boss.
Right, thank you. Let's just take 5, shall we?